Hi! In front of me is Oppo Reno6 Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen on this device. First of all, select one of your apps, like Play Store. Then you need to click on this button with 3 lines and tap on those 2 dots at the top right corner of your app. Now select split screen over here and tap on the other app, like for example Messages. As you can see, now I can use both of them at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag the first app upwards and then click Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!